So this is the Xiaomi 14 Ultra live image coming in from China, and Xiaomi is literally going all out with this one. Xiaomi is also working on a special Mi Mix kind of flagship. I'll have a video on that in a day or two, so make sure to subscribe. Now back to the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Can be seen we have so many camera sensors on the rear. This could be a squarish module or maybe a circular one similar to the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. But can be seen Xiaomi have added some extra supporting sensors for better photography. Here's how Xiaomi 14 Ultra looks in comparison to the Xiaomi 13 Ultra in same anti-leak case, and yes, the module is definitely smaller than the last gen flagship and there are so many additional sensors in there. The front is still coming with quad curve edges and a tiny hole punch selfie shooter, so maybe Xiaomi is saving the full screen display for a special flagship or for the future. Xiaomi is still working with Lytia for the color science, cause can be seen Lytia authentic profile settings is on top right in this image. Now this device got codename Venti, who was one of the god of wind. Xiaomi often use mythological names, so this one is no different, and you might have heard that name from Genshin Impact as well. So the Xiaomi 14 Ultra codename Venti is gonna feature 5180 mAh battery size, which is massive. There's 90 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging. This all powered with Qualcomm 8 Gen 3 chipset is gonna make it a very powerful flagship. The 8 Gen 3 got 98% powerful NPU for faster AI processing. The new CPU is 30% powerful and 20% power efficient. GPU is 25% powerful and power efficient. The interesting part is this silicon supports Unreal Engine 5 Lumen and got better ray tracing. So in terms of gaming, this might give it a fight to the A17 Pro. So no doubt this is a huge enhancement over the 8 Gen 2 chipset. Now in terms of camera, Xiaomi is packing it with 4 50 megapixel sensors on the rear. That is Sony Lytia LYT900 sensor main, dual telephoto / periscope camera, and finally a super wide angle sensor. So a really powerful flagship coming likely in April. The most exciting part is now that MIUI is gone and we have HyperOS on top of Xiaomi phone, the overall experience is very premium. This is Xiaomi HyperOS new logo, and yes, they are rolling out to other Xiaomi devices in global markets as well. That's all guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe and peace out.